वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम् स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रविदो विदुः
ऐवन् ऋलुक् एओङ् ऐ औच अयवरट् लन् ञामाङ्गाणम् जभै गढदश् जबगढदश् कपछठथ चटतौ कपै चषसर् हल् अकुक विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः यशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपत्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यामोङ्घानानां नासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतोघो कण्ठतालु
एदैतो कण्ठतालु
Deepika ji, your side noise is there.
Yes, Guruji.
ओदौ तोघो कण्ठ ओष्टं नभ
उदौतो कण्ठ ओष्टं
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्टं
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्टं
जह्वामूलीयस्य जह्वामूल्यं
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यं
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा
रामे
भवतु मे
ओ राम मामुद्धर
ओ राम मामुद्धर
मामुद्धर.
Please make sure that there is no noise, background noise in your side. रामः अस्ति रामो स्तः रामाः सन्ति
रामः अस्ति रामौ स्तः रामाः सन्ति
हरिः अस्ति हरि स्तः हरयः सन्ति
हरिः अस्ति हरि स्तः हरयः सन्ति
गुरुः अस्ति गुरु स्तः गुरवः सन्ति
गुरुः अस्ति गुरु स्तः गुरवः सन्ति
पिता अस्ति पितरौ स्तः पितरः सन्ति
पिता अस्ति पितरौ स्तः पितरः सन्ति
कर्ता अस्ति कर्तारौ स्तः कर्तारः सन्ति
कर्ता अस्ति कर्तारौ स्तः कर्तारः सन्ति
एषः अस्ति एतौ स्तः एते सन्ति
एषः अस्ति एतौ स्तः एते सन्ति
अयमस्ति इमौ स्तः इमे सन्ति
अयम् अस्ति इमौ स्तः इमे सन्ति
इमे सन्ति not अस्ति सः अस्ति तौ स्तः ते सन्ति
सः अस्ति तौ स्तः ते सन्ति
कः अस्ति कौ स्तः के सन्ति
सः अस्ति कौ स्तः के सन्ति
रमा अस्ति रमे स्तः रमाः सन्ति
रमा अस्ति रमे स्तः रमाः सन्ति
नदी अस्ति नद्यौ स्तः नद्यः सन्ति
नदी अस्ति नद्यौ स्तः नद्यः सन्ति
मतिः अस्ति मती स्तः मतयः सन्ति
मतिः अस्ति मती स्तः मतयः सन्ति
धेनुः अस्ति धेनु स्तः धेनवः सन्ति
धेनुः अस्ति धेनू स्तः धेनवः सन्ति
वधूः अस्ति वध्वौ स्तः वध्वः सन्ति
वधूः अस्ति वध्वौ स्तः वध्वः सन्ति
माता अस्ति मातरौ स्तः मातरः सन्ति
माता अस्ति मातरौ स्तः मातरः सन्ति
एषा अस्ति एते स्तः एताः सन्ति
एषा अस्ति एते स्तः एताः सन्ति
इयम् अस्ति इमे स्तः इमाः सन्ति
इयम् अस्ति इमे स्तः इमाः सन्ति
सा अस्ति ते स्तः ताः सन्ति
सा अस्ति ते स्तः ताः सन्ति
का अस्ति के स्तः काः सन्ति
का अस्ति के स्तः काः सन्ति
Deepika ji, your side. My sister. Palam asti pale staha palani santi.
फलम् अस्ति फले स्तः फलानि सन्ति
एतदस्ति एते स्तः एतानि सन्ति
एतदस्ति एते स्तः एतानि सन्ति
इदम् अस्ति इमे स्तः इमानि सन्ति
इदम् अस्ति इमे स्तः इमानि सन्ति
इमानि सन्ति तदस्ति ते स्तः तानि सन्ति
तदस्ति ते स्तः तानि सन्ति
किमस्ति के स्तः कानि सन्ति
किमस्ति के स्तः कानि सन्ति
This background we will do this. Kriya Parichayaha, introduction to the verbal forms, the verbs. The last class you read this part. Patati, Likati, Kridati, the meanings are clear. Patati reads, Likati writes, Kridati plays, Namati salutes, Gayati sings, Hasati laughs, Khadati eats, Padati falls, Gachati goes, Agachati comes, Pashyati sees, Vadati speaks, Upavishati sits, Uttishtati wakes up, gets up. Wakes up or gets up. Getting up from the seat also Uttishtati. Waking up also Uttishtati. Dhavati runs. So you need to remember the meaning of these Kriya Padams. The next set of Kriya Padams comes. Here you can see these Trilinga. You can supply the names as you wish. Any names you can say, or pronouns also, any pronoun you can say. As here, Saha patati, Tau patataha, Te patanti. Similarly, here you can do. Either you can say Rama, or you can say Priya, or you can say just Yam or Sa, as you wish. So the meaning of the Kriya Padam already we have seen. Patati likati, the same thing is given, but you can see the gender is different. That is what he wants to show. Because the gender changes, Kriya Padam do not change. Kriya Padam as the same form. The gender do not influence the Kriya Padam. You need to note that. Depending on the Purusha, the Kriya Padam changes. What Purusha is that? Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, or Uttama Purusha. Whether it is I or you, or other than I and you. The class I told you need to remember this important thing. Prathama Purusha is third person in English. Prathama Purusha is third person, not first person. Madhyama Purusha is second person. Uttama Purusha is first person. The first person is Uttama Purusha, the speaker. Madhyama Purusha is the listener. Then the third person in English, which is called Prathama Purusha in Sanskrit, is other than the speaker and the listener. That is, other than you and me. Is the Prathama Purusha, third person. Okay. Now you can read now. Anupama, please read.
With the names, Guruji.
Yeah, you can supply names. Yes.
Balika patati, balike padataha, balikaha padanti.
Patanti.
Patanti.
Okay, here one more thing. This also I will introduce now so that you can practice from now onwards. I'll show you just a minute. So far you have seen only Prathama Purusha. Now let me type Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha. I think I would have said this before, but anyway, no problem. That also you can do. 1 minute. Let me type and show you. Tvam is you. Ekavachana. One person, that is you. The listener, one listener. Yuvam. Tvam, Yuvam. Yuvam means you two. Two people are there. It is Dvivachana. It is Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam Yuvam. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Tvam. Then Prathama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam is Yuyam. So Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. You can chant. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam.
Tvam yuvam yuyam.
Please take a snapshot of this. This also you have to do. So keep this with you. Tvam, again, Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam.
Tvam yuvam yuyam.
Then the Uttama Purusha. Aham, Avam, Vayam. Aham, Avam, Vayam.
Aham
Avam vayam.
avam vayam.
Say again. Aham,
Aham
Avam, Vayam.
अहम् आवां वयम्
त्वं युवां यूयम्
त्वम् इवां यूयम्
अहम् आवां वयम्.
अहम् आवां वयम्.
So remember this. Tvam yuvam yoyam aham avam vayam. Okay. So now you can remember the Kriya Padam for all the Purusha, all the Vachana. I'll show you now Kriya Padam. So Tvam yuvam yuyam is, it is Madhyama Purusha. Tvam is Madhyama Purusha. You too, you all. The Tvam, like Rama is a Pratipadika for Rama Shabda. Similarly, Tvam, the Tvam as God, the Pratipadikam, which is Yushmad, that we will see later. We will see the other Vibhakti Vachanam later. But Pratipadikam is Yushmad. Takarantaha Yushmad Shabdaha. And the declension would be Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. Similarly, here it is Dakarantaha Asmat Shabdaha. And the declension would be Agam Avam Vayam. So this is the Pratipadikam. Yushmad and Asmad is the Pratipadikam. Like Rama is a Pratipadikam for Rama Shabda. Hari is a Pratipadikam for Hari, Hari, Hareha, those Shabda. Similarly, Yushmad. Only Prathama Vibhakti we are learning. Other Vibhaktis we are not interested now. That is why Tam, Yuvam, Yuyam, Aham, Avam, Vayam, that alone I have given. Understand? Tam is Madhyama, Aham is Uttama. Now, for our I think I will add one more. Ramaha Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. And the Pratipadikam is Rama. So Rama is which Purusha? Rama which? Pratama Purusha. Yushmad with Purusha. Which Purusha?
मध्यम पुरुष
Asmat
उत्तमपुरुष.
पुरुष
Uttama Purusha. Now I will take one example and write here. I take the Kriya Padam, Patati. Already we have seen Patati. Then
पठतः
Patataha,
पठन्ति.
Patanti. So Ramaha Patati, Ramo Patataha, Ramaha Patanti. Then you have to connect Ram. Okay, I will do like this. Tvam
पठसि.
Patasi, not Patasi. Patasi, Patataha, Patata. Tvam Patasi, Yuvam Patataha, Yuyam Patata. Tvam Patati is wrong. Ramaha patasi is wrong. Understand? So patati, patataha, patanti is Pratama Purusha. Therefore, it has to be other than you and me. Ramaha, Arihi, etc. If it is Tvam, it has to be patasi only. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam has got the respective Kriya Padam. Patasi, patataha, patata. Then Uttama Purusha, for which the respective Kriya Padam for the different Vachanam is Patami, Patavaha, Patamaha. Aham Patami, Avam Patavaha, Vayam Patamaha. I read, we too read, we all read. So you need to remember this. Okay, you repeat after me. Patati, patataha, patanti.
Patati,
Pathati,
patataha,
patataha, patanti.
Patasi, patataha, patata.
Pathasi, patataha, patanti.
patata.
Patami, patavaha, patamaha.
Patami,
Pathami,
patavaha,
patavaha, patamaha.
Now, if you take another Kriya Padam, Likati, Likati, Likataha, Likanti.
Likati,
Likhati, likataha, likhanti.
Likasi, Likataha, Likata.
Likasi,
Likhasi, likataha, likatha.
Likhami, Likhavaha, Likhamaha.
Likhami, likhavaha, likhamaha.
Khadati, Khadataha, Khadanti.
Khadati, khadataha, khadanti.
Khadasi, Khadataha, Khadata.
Khadasi, khadataha, khadatha.
Khadami, Khadavaha, Khadamaha.
Khadami, khadavaha, khadamaha.
Here, Tvam Patasi, it is a Vakyam. Tvam Patasi is a Vakyam, it's a statement. Tvam Patasi. Right? Tvam Patasi, you read. Even if simply you just say Patasi, Tvam is understood. You don't have to say even Tvam. Patasi, when you say, Tvam is understood. Because it cannot be I or it cannot be somebody else. It has to be you only. Because Patasi, the Kriya Padam tells the reader is you, Ekavachanam, Tvam only. Similarly, Patataha, when you say, Yuvam is understood. Even if the word Yuvam is not there, the sentence, it is understood. Similarly, Patata. The same thing for the Uttama Purusha also. If you say Patami, Patami means I read. I is understood there. Aham, understood. Patavaha, we too. Avam is understood. Similarly, Patamaha. Whereas when you say Patati, Patati means somebody reads. The name is not mentioned. It could be Rama, it could be Hari, it could be anybody, it could be anybody. Or it just could be Saha. That we have to supply. If it is already the names is mentioned, then refer to that person. And you can refer to that by the pronoun Saha or Yeshaha. So Patati means reads. Patati tells you the reader is neither you nor me, somebody else. It's a vakyam, it's a statement. That itself is a state, it's a complete sentence. Patati is a sentence. Patami is a sentence. Patasi is a sentence. Okay, now you can repeat after me. Bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti.
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवथ
भवसि
भवसि
भवतः
भवतः भवतः
भवामि भवावः भवामः
भवामि भवामः
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 Please note what I said now because you are going to read with that. Now you can repeat after me. Kridati, kridataha, kridanti,
क्रीडति
क्रीडति क्रीडतः क्रीडन्ति
kridasi, kridataha, kridatha,
क्रीडति
क्रीडसि क्रीडतः क्रीडथ
kridami, kridavaha, kridamah,
क्रीडामि क्रीडावः क्रीडामः
namati, namataha, namanti,
नमते नमतः नमन्ति
namasi, namataha, namatha,
नमसि नमतः नमतः
namami, namavaha, namamaha,
नमः
gayati, gayataha, gayanti,
गायति गायतः गायन्ति
gayasi, gayataha, gayatha,
गायसि गायतः गायतः
gayami, gayavaha, gayamaha, hasati, hasataha, hasanti,
सः हसन्ति
hasasi, hasataha, hasata, hasami, hasavaha, hasamaha, khadati, khadataha, khadanti,
खादन्ति
khadasi, khadataha, khadata,
खादसि खादतः खादथ
khadami, khadavaha, khadamaha,
खादामि खादावः खादामः
patati, patataha, patanti,
पतति पतन्तः पतन्ति
patasi, patataha, patatha,
पठसि पठतः पठथ
patami, patavaha, patamaha,
पठामि पतावः पतामः
gacchati, gacchataha, gachanti,
गच्छति गच्छतः गच्छन्ति
gacchasi, gacchataha, gacchata,
गच्छसि गच्छतः गच्छत
gacchami, gacchavaha, gacchamaha,
गच्छामि गच्छावः गच्छामः
agacchati, agacchataha, agachanti,
आगच्छति आगच्छतः आगच्छन्ति
agachasi, agachataha, agachatha,
आगच्छसि आगच्छतः आगच्छत
agachami, agachavaha, agachamaha,
आगच्छामि आगच्छावः आगच्छामः
pashyati, pashyataha, pashyanti,
पश्यति पश्यतः पश्यन्ति
pashyasi, pashyataha, pashyatha,
पश्यसि पश्यतः पश्यथ
pashyami, pashyavaha, pashyamaha,
पश्यामि पश्यावः पश्यामः
वदति वदतः वदन्ति
वदति वदन्तः वदन्ति
वदसि वदथः वदथ
वदसि वदथः वदथ
वदामि वदावः वदामः
वदामि वदावः वदामः
उपविशति उपविशतः उपविशन्ति
उपविशति उपविशतः उपविशन्ति
उपविशसि उपविशथः उपविशथ
उपविशसि उपविशथः उपविशथ
उपविशामि उपविशावः उपविशामः
उपविशामि उपविशावः उपविशामः
उत्तिष्ठति उत्तिष्ठतः उत्तिष्ठन्ति
उत्तिष्ठति उत्तिष्ठतः
उत्तिष्ठसि उत्तिष्ठतः उत्तिष्ठन्ति
उत्तिष्ठसि उत्तिष्ठतः उत्तिष्ठन्थ
उत्तिष्ठामि उत्तिष्ठावः उत्तिष्ठामः
उत्तिष्ठामि उत्तिष्ठावः उत्तिष्ठामः
धावति धावतः धावन्ति
धावति धावतः धावन्ति
धावसि धावतः धावथ
धावसि धावतः धावथ
धावामि धावावः धावामः
धावामि धावावः धावामः
You understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
I did everything because you have to make you familiar with the Kriya Padam. Okay, now Anupama ji, you can read. You can say, you can also give sentences for Madhyam Purusha, Uttama Purusha. Yes, please read.
Okay. रमा पठति रमे पठतः रमाः पठन्ति. Same thing, Madhyamurusha. त्वं पठसि युवां पठतः यूयं पठत. अहं पठामि आवां पठावः वयं पठामः.
Tvam kim karoshi?
त्वं पठसि.
Aham patami. I'm asking you.
Okay. अहं पठामि.
यदि प्रश्नः त्वं किं करोषि चेत् तर्हि उत्तरम् अहं पठामि इति भवति. The question. Sanskritam to be learned through Sanskritam. I have to teach you in Sanskritam, but you will not understand even if I speak in Sanskritam. Can you follow if I say something? I don't know.
Yes, Guruji.
Sanskritam samskritena संस्कृतं माध्यमेन एव पठितव्यं शिक्षणीयम्. Anyway, if the question is त्वं किं करोषि, what do you do? That is my question. For that you have to answer aham pathami. Right? Now, here another thing. You please note. I asked you त्वं किं करोषि. Karoshi, what is karoshi? It's another dhatu, another verb, whose form is karoshi, madhyama purusha, ekavachana. Important very important dhatu. That also I will show you. You have got a lot of things to learn. You can note that also. You can chant that also. Please do. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha.
Karoshi, kuruthaha, kurutha.
Karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha.
Karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha.
Karomi is, karoti is does. Karoti, he does. Somebody does. Kurutaha, they too do. Kurvanti, they do. Karoshi is Madhyama Purusha. That is why I asked from Kim Karoshi. What do you do? And you are saying a particular action. Agam patami, agam kadami, agam gachami, agam agachami, agam dhavami, uttishtami, whatever it is, answer. Right? Understand? So in the question, you have to have this vakyam. So somebody does Ramaha Kim Karoti means what?
Ramaha patati.
Rama answer is
Ramaha
Ramaha.
patati.
What does Rama do? Rama reads. Rama goes, we can do. So this will be in the question. In the answer, you have to give a specific action, right? You can also note this. Same as the Kriya Padam, Patati or Bhavati. You can take Bhavati, Bhavataha, Bhavanti or Patati, Patataha, Patanti, that declension as the master one. Like the Shabda, we have master Shabda. Similarly, for Kriya Padam, you can take this as a master or the sample one. The same thing you can follow. But for Kurudhatu, for Dhatu is Kurudhatu, this is different. Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti, the form is different. You need to memorize this. When I say Kurutaha, what Purusha, what Vachana, we should be able to identify. Kurutaha, Kuruthaha, Kurutha. There's a difference. Don't tell everything as Kurutaha, Kurutaha, Kurutaha. There is no meaning. Kurutaha is Pratama Purusha, Vivachanam, Kuruthaha with Mahaprana. It is Madhyama Purusha, Vivachanam, Kurutha, Madhyama Purusha, Bhagavachanam. Okay. This is also important. You need to note. Now, here, yes, here only I wanted to say something important. I said, I asked you, Tvam Kim Karoshi, what do you do? Right? Now, Tvam is you. If you are addressing the person, asking the person who is of your same age or less than that, or your friends or your colleagues, right? Same. You can address you, but you cannot address the teacher or the elderly person, the senior person, the respectable person, whom you revere as you. You should not ask you. That we have to address with respect, right? So if you are talking to your father, you address Tvam Kim Karoshi, don't ask. That is wrong. That is irrespect, irreverent, irrespective, disrespect, not irrespect, disrespect or irreverent way of addressing. It's a disrespect. You should not ask like that. Even though you want to ask your father or mother, what do you do? Don't ask them. There you have to, if it is Pullinga, then there you have to say, let me type here. There, if it is Pullinga, it has to be Bhavan. Bhavan is you. Bhavan is you only, Tom only, but it is with respect. Bhavan. Right? Bhavan. Bhavantau. It is Dvivachana. Bhavantaha. Bhagavachana. Bhavan is you. Bhavantau. You too. Bhavantaha. You all. So Bhavan. Now I can ask Bhavan Kim what do you supply? Bhavan Kim, what? I want to ask, what do you do?
Karosi.
Karoshi is wrong. Even though Bhavan is you, but you are
Oh,
addressing the person with respect. Therefore, don't use Karoshi. Use
oh.
Pratama Purusha Kriya Padam itself. Karoti you have to ask.
Karoti. Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? All
Yes,
of you.
yes.
All of you understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Bhavan Patati. It means you read. You are reading. Bhavan is, even though it is you, but it is treated in the language. It has got the treatment as that of a third person because it is with respect, right?
Yes.
Bhavan Patati. Bhavan Bhavantau Bhavantaha Bhavantau Patataha Bhavantaha Patanti. If it is Pullinga, suppose if it is Strilinga, it would be Bhavati. Bhavati is with respect. Bhavati. Then Bhavatyau. Then Bhavatyaha with respect. So now I ask Anupamaji, Tvam Kim Karoshi, you remove Tvam. In the place of Tvam, you put Bhavati. Bhavati. It is Strilinga. Bhavati Kim Karoti, not Karoshi.
Okay.
Understand all of you what I'm saying?
Yes, Guruji. Yes. Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Bhavan meaning, Bhavan or Bhavati meaning you only. But it is to be treated as the first person. The first person Kriya Padam alone should be used. Don't use Madhyama Purusha. It is wrong. Bhavan Karot, she is wrong. Bhavati Patasi is wrong. Bhavan Patati, Bhavati Patati. Bhavan Karoti, Bhavati Karoti. Bhavan Kim Karoti, Bhavati Kim Karoti. Answer could be the person will say Aham Patami. That is fine. Now continue Anupamaji. The next one, Likati can read.
Rama likhati, Rame likataha, Ramaha likhanti. Tvam likhasi, Yuvam likataha, Yuyam likhata. Aham likhami, Avam likhavaha, Vayam likhamaha.
If you use Bhavan or Bhavati,
Bhavan likhati, sorry, Bhavati likhati.
it's okay. Bhavan Likati also you can say. You write masculine. Okay. Continue.
Pridati. Okay.
Now, Bhavan Likati, Bhavan Bhavantau Likataha,
Bhavantau likhataha,
Bhavantaha
Bhavantaha likhata,
Likanti.
likhanti.
You can please note, you can write if you want, you can note this. Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha, Bhavati, Bhavatyau, Bhavatyaha. Please note. Note means you have to write it. If you are scribbling pad, write it. Because you are going to read. I have typed and showed, you have to note it. So you are going to use this when you read. Therefore, please note. Now, if it is Strilinga, what will be? Anupamaji, Likati. That use Bhavati. Then
Bhavati likhati, Bhavantyau,
Bhavatyau, not Bhavantyau.
Bhavatyau,
Bhavatyau Likataha.
likhataha. Okay. Okay. Bhavatyaha likhata.
Not Likata, Likhanti, all Pratham Purusha.
Likhanti. Okay.
Bhavati, Likhati, Bhavatyau, Likataha,
Taha.
Bhavatyaha, Likhanti. That is why I have to understand. This Prathama Purusha only we have to use. Prathama Purusha Kriya Padam only have to use. Even though
Okay, okay.
Bhavati meaning you, Patati, patataha, patanti, likati, likataha, likanti only to be used. Bhavati, likati. Bhavatyo, likataha. Bhavatyaha, likanti. Not likata. You are using Madhyama Purusha. That is wrong. Right?
Yes. Got it.
Next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Kritati. Uma Kritati. Ume Kritataha. Umaha Kridanti.
Yes.
Tvam Kritasi. Yuvam Kritataha. Yuyam Kritata. Aham Kridami. Avam Kridavaha. Vayam Kridamaha.
Good. Then use Bhavan and Bhavati.
Bhavan Kridati. Bhavantau Kridatah. Bhavantaha Kridanti. If it is Strilingam, Bhavati Kridati. Bhavatyau Kridatah. Bhavatyaha Kridanti.
Next person. Good. Yajna Priyaji can do. Navati.
Namati.
First
Priya. Namati. Priya Namati. Priye Namataha. Priyaha Namanti. Correct, Raji?
Yes. I'll tell you if it is wrong. Read.
Tvam Namasi. Yuvam.
It is not Yuvam. Yuvam. Don't make it Dirga. Yuvam. It is short. Yuvam.
Yes, Ji. Yuvam Namataha. Yuyam Namata. Aham Namami. Avam Namavaha. Vayam Namamaha. Now I have to do for Bhavan and Bhavanti.
Yes.
Bhavan.
Simple. The same Namati you said.
Bhavan Namati.
Use only use. Bhavan Namati.
Bhavan Namati. Bhavantau Namatau.
Namatau. What is Namatau? It's a new word. Yeah. I never thought you like Namatau. Where is it Namatau?
Namati. Namataha.
Don't confuse with the Subanta. Don't confuse with the declension of Shabda. This is Dhatu. You have these two things separately and see how in one hand the Subanta forms, in the other hand Kriya Padam. Connect the Purusha.
Bhavantau Namataha. Bhavanta.
Bhavantaha. I told you to write it. Have you written?
I left the Visarga.
Bhavantaha Namanti.
Bhavantaha Namati. Namata Danadjivaru. Illa. Namanti. Correct.
Thank you for correcting me. Yes. Then, what is Uttama Purusha?
Uttama Purusha.
Sorry, not Uttama Purusha. Bhavati you have to use.
Bhavati.
The same thing.
Bhavati Namati. Bhavatyau Namataha. Bhavatyaha Namanti.
Yes. Practice. You need to practice
Yes.
every day. You take one Kriya Padam. How many Kriya Padams you have seen? Some 12 or 15. And so many Kriya Padams are there going to be seen. Practice. This has to be practiced.
Yes.
The next person. Which next person? Parulji.
Yes,
Read
sir.
slowly.
Yes, sir.
If mistake is there, I will correct and allow me to speak in between. Yes. Please
Lata,
read.
लता गायति, लते गायतः, लता गायन्ति.
Lata, 2 times Lata comes. How can be?
No, gayatah and lata gayanti.
What about first one? That also Lata Gayati.
Gayanti, anti, I said, no? Anti, gayanti.
What about Lata?
Latta, latta gayati, late gayatah, lataha gayanti.
Now only you are saying Lataha.
Lataha, lataha, lataha.
Now you are saying Lataha. Before you didn't say Lataha. You say Lata only.
Lataha. Okay.
Okay.
And then tvam tvam gayati,
Gayasi.
gayasi, second madhyam tvam gayasi, yuva gayathah, yuyam gayathah, aham gayami,
Gayami.
gayami, avam gayavah, vayam gayamah. Then bhavan gayati, bhavanto gayatah, bhavantah gayanti, bhavati gayati, bhavantyo
Gayati. Not Gayasi. Gayati only. Same as.
Gayati. gayati, bhavantyo gayatah, bhavantyah gayanti.
Not Bhavantyaha. Bhavati. Bhavatyav only. Not Bhavantyav.
Bhavatyo gayatah, bhavatyah gayanti.
Okay, good. Next person, please note here. Bhavati, Bhavatyav, Bhavatyaha. Not Bhavantyav. Don't add Nakara.
Okay.
Bhavan, Bhavantav, Bhavantaha. Bhavati,
vadati.
Bhavatyav, Bhavatyaha. Huh? What are they?
Vadati means what? Vadati means
Vadati means speaks.
speak.
Yes.
Okay. And
Talk.
pashyati is sees or sits? Pashyati.
Sees.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sits is Upavishyati.
Upavishu.
Next person, Shubhalakshmi. Next Kriya Padam.
I'm not able to see that.
Hasati.
Yeah, up to Hasati only.
Up to Asati only. Asati is the last one. That's what you have to read.
Gita Hasati, Gite Hasataha, Gitaha Hasanti. Tvam Hasasi, Yuvam Hasataha, Yuyam Hasata, Aham Hasami, Avam Hasavaha, Vayam Hasamaha, Bhavan Hasati, Bhavantyau Hasataha,
Bhavantav.
Bhavantyau Hasataha,
Bhavantav.
Bhavantau Hasataha, Bhavantaha Hasanti, Bhavati Hasati, Bhavatyau Hasataha, Bhavatyaha Hasanti.
Yes. Good. Next person, Deepika ji. Next Kriya Padam.
जी गुरुजी। रमा खादति, रमे खादतः, रमाः खादन्ति, त्वं खादसि, युवां खादतः, यूयं खादथ, अहं खादामि, आवां खादावः, वयं खादामः, भवान् खादति, भवन्तौ खादतः, भवन्तः खादन्ति, भवती खादति, भवत्यौ खादतः, भवत्यः खादन्ति.
Good. Next person. Back to Anupama ji.
सा पतति, ते पततः ताः पतन्ति त्वं पतसि युवां पततः
Yuvam
युवां
is yuvam, not yuvam.
ओके ओके
Okay.
युवां पततः यूयं पतत अहं पतामि आवां पतावः वयं पतामः भवान् पतति भवन्तौ पततः भवन्तः पतन्ति भवती पतति भवत्यौ पततः भवत्यः पतन्ति
Patanti.
पतन्ति
Umaji. Next Kriya Padam.
माला गच्छति माले गच्छतः मालाः गच्छन्ति त्वं
Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, please read.
त्वं गच्छसि युवां गच्छतः यूयं गच्छत अहं गच्छामि आवां गच्छावः वयं गच्छामः भवान् गच्छति भवन्तौ गच्छतः भवन्तः गच्छन्ति if it is स्त्रीलिङ्गं भवती गच्छति भवत्यौ गच्छतः भवत्यः गच्छन्ति
Gachanti. Now, just for you to show this, how it is used, the language you can see. Yeshah kaha, Yeshah Keshavaha. Keshah kim karoti, Keshavaha namati. Kim saha likati, na. You can say na, not nahi. Na itself it's enough. Nahi is Hindi. Nahi also you can say na. Saha na likati. Saha namati. Keshava is third person. Therefore, karoti. Now, same thing, Dvivachanam. Etau kau, etau balakau. Up to that we saw in the beginning. Etau kau, etau balakau. Now we are adding Kriyapadam. Balakau kim kurtaha. Balakau patataha. Two boys are reading. Kim tau likataha. What? Do they write? Na. Tau na likataha. Tau patataha. They do not write. They do read. Balau, understand this sentence. Balau kim kurtaha means what do the boys do? If you put kim at the beginning, then the question, then the connotation will become what do they write? That meaning will come. Kim tau likataha. That becomes do they write? The answer is yes or no. That will be the answer for the question. Balu kim kurtaha. What do the two boys do? Then they have to say specifically what action they are doing. If you put kim at the beginning, then the answer generally would be yes or no. Or na. Ete ke ete vanaraha. Vanaraha kim kurvanti. Vanaraha khadanti. Kim. You have to read like this. Kim. Te kurdanti. The tune also has to become like that. Na. Te na kurdanti. Te kadanti. Understand? Now the next person, Ekam Priyaji. You read this.
एषः कः एषः अश्वः अश्वः किं करोति अश्वः धावति किं सः तिष्ठति
No. Kim. Saha tishtati. You have to read like that.
किं सः तिष्ठति न सः न तिष्ठति सः धावति
Good. Next person, Parulji. You read this.
Yes. Etau kau, etau gajau. गजो किं कुरुतः गजो चलतः किं तौ धावतः नहीं न तौ न धावतः तौ चलतः
Good. Deepika ji.
यस गुरुजी। एते के एते मयूराः मयूराः किं कुर्वन्ति मयूराः नृत्यन्ति किं ते विचरन्ति न ते न विचरन्ति ते तु नृत्यन्ति
Te tu nrityanti. Nrityanti is dance. Vicharanti is, are they moving?
yes
No, they are not moving, they are dancing.
yes
Mayuraha kim kurvanti? Kim kurvanti, you know, I already taught you. Karoti, kurutaha,
yes
kurvanti.
कुर्वन्ति
What do the peacocks do? They dance. Mayuraha nrityanti. Kim? Te vicharanti. Do they walk? Na. Te na vicharanti. Te tu. Tu is whereas. Tu is but or whereas. That is the meaning of tu. Tu is avyayam. We cannot decline that. Tu. Te tu. Whereas they nrityanti. They dance. Okay, this. We can do this book. It's a very good book. All for the kids. They are also kids. In Sanskritam, you are all kids only. So we can do this later. Just wanted to show you this. After completing this, we can do that. So now the Kriya Parichayam, to some extent you will understand what is Kriya is, right? Now the next person. After Deepika ji, Anupama ji, you have to read. Please read. Which Kriya Padam you have to read?
I think agachati.
Agachati, please do.
Vani agachati. Vanyau agachataha. Vanyaha agachanti. Tvam agachasi. Yuvam agachataha. Yuyam agachatha. Aham agachami. Avam agachavaha. Vayam agachamaha. Bhavan agachati. Bhavantau agachataha. Bhavantaha agachanti. Bhavati agachati. Bhavatyau agachataha. Bhavatyaha agachanti.
Good. Kumaji.
Yes, Guruji. Bhala pashyasi. Bala pashyataha.
Bale.
Sorry. Bale pashyataha. Balaha pashyanti. Tvam pashyasi. Yuvam pashyataha. Yuyam pashyata. Aham pashyami. Avam pashyavaha. Vayam pashyamaha. Bhavan pashyati. Bhavantau pashyataha. Bhavantaha pashyanti. Srilingam. Bhavati pashyati. Bhavatyau pashyataha. Bhavatyaha pashyanti.
Good. Next person, Yajnapriya ji.
Banuhu vadati. Banu
Yes, that, yeah.
vadataha. Banavaha vadanti.
Banu, what is Srilinga? Anyway.
Denu Shabdam ji.
Banu is Banu. The Bhanumati is Banu. Banu is Pullinga, in fact. Anyway, it's okay. There are people having the word Banu also. That's one student in our class, my class here, Udaya Banu from Hyderabad. So it's a Srilinga Banu. It's okay, you can do nothing wrong. Yes, please do.
Tvam vadasi. Yuvam vadataha. Yuyam vadata. Aham vadami. Avam vadavaha. Vayam वदामः भवान् वदति भवन्तौ वदतः भवन्तः वदन्ति भवती वदति भवत्यौ वदतः भवत्यः वदन्ति
Next person. Parulji.
Yes, sir.
Upavishati.
उपविशति गीता उपविशति गीते उपविशतः गीताः उपविशन्ति त्वम् उपविशसि युवा उपविशतः यूयम् उपविशतः
Upavishata.
उपविशतः अहम् उपविशामि उपविशामि
I sit.
उपविशामि
Yes.
हाँ then आवाम् उपविशवः वयम् उपविशामः then भवान् उपविशति भवन्तौ उपविशतः भवन्तः उपविशन्ति भवती उपविशति भवत्यौ उपविशतः भवन्त्यः भवन्ति अरे भवन्त्यः उपविशन्ति
Not bhavantyaha. Bhavatyaha. Nakara
Bhavat-
don't add.
भवत्यः
Bhavati,
Bhavatyah.
bhavatyau, bhavatyaha.
भवत्यः उपविशन्ति
Next person. Subbalakshmi.
मीना उत्तिष्ठति मीने उत्तिष्ठतः मीनाः उत्तिष्ठन्ति त्वम् उत्तिष्ठति युवाम् उत्तिष्ठतः यूयम् उत्तिष्ठत अहम् उत्तिष्ठामि आवाम् उत्तिष्ठावः वयम् उत्तिष्ठामः भवान् उत्तिष्ठति भवन्तौ उत्तिष्ठतः भवन्तः उत्तिष्ठन्ति भवती उत्तिष्ठति भवन्त्यौ उत्तिष्ठतः भवन्त्यः उत्तिष्ठन्ति
Bhavatyaha uttishtanti.
भवत्यः उत्तिष्ठन्ति
And you are doing the same mistake, adding nakara. Bhavati, bhavatyau, bhavatyaha. Bhavati kada uttishtati. I'm asking you.
क्या बोलिए
Bhavati kada uttishtati. Kati samaya uttishtati. Pratakale.
पञ्चवादने
पञ्चवादने उत्तिष्ठति
Aham panchavadane. Who said panchavadane? Good.
सुब्बलक्ष्मी
Ah. Okay. No, you know Sanskritam then. Huh?
No, not that much.
Aham panchavadane. 5 o'clock. Sarda panchavadane. 5:30.
Like that.
Okay, complete. Aham sarda panchavadane dash.
उत्तिष्ठामि
उत्तिष्ठामि. Aham uttishtami. Aham pratakale uttishtami. Pratakale panchavadane uttishtami. Shayanat uttishtami. Woke up from sleep. Anantaram kim karomi aham? Snanam karomi. Snana purvakam kim karomi? Dantavadanam karomi. Kapagnam pipami. Anantaram snanam karomi. Anantaram pujam karomi. Right? All these things you can slowly learn. Okay. Then kaksham agachami. Attend the class. Come to the class. Sanskritam shikshami. Sanskritam acharyam patayami. I teach Sanskritam to the teacher. Okay. Next person. Deepika ji.
Yes.
The last one. Yes. With that, we'll stop. Yeah,
Okay. Iyam
very good. Yeah.
धावति,
Yes.
इमे धावतः, इमाः धावत
Dhavanti.
धावन्ति, yeah, धावन्ति. त्वं धावसि, युवां धावथः, यूयं धावथ. अहं धावामि, आवां धावावः, वयं धावामः. भवान् धावति, भवन्तौ धावतः, भवन्तः धावन्ति, भवती धावति, भवत्यौ धावतः, भवत्यः धावन्ति.
Very good. I think today was better. All of you read very well. Read
Thanks.
well. Shall we go? Shall I increase the pace or go at the pace only?
We'll go with the speed.
Thank God you didn't say further reduce the speed. We'll go at the same pace. Yeah, to do homework, go and read, listen to the class again. Yeah.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanta Shanta Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Please have a separate Sanskritam notebook. Write down neatly whatever we learn. Maintain that, it will be useful later when you become a teacher, when you learn Sanskritam and become a teacher. Don't say Ayyo, it's all possible. Not now, not tomorrow. Maybe after 2 years. If you all survive and together learn Sanskritam. Right?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guru.
Have a separate notebook, maintain.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guru.
धन्यवाद.
Good, धन्यवाद. Happy
धन्यवाद
Diwali.
गुरुजी.
Happy Diwali.
Happy
धन्यवाद
Diwali.
गुरुजी.
Happy Diwali ji.
Happy Diwali to all. Thank you.
Next Sunday we have classes, no, sir?
Yes, yes. If I'm all right, I'll definitely class will be there.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
Dhanyawad.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.